I know the prayers of a righteous man will avail of much, but lately feels like I'm out of touch and just out of trust. I got it the worst, searching book, chapter, verse. Couldn't master the curse, I just wish there was a reverse. Going through all the motions while sipping up potent potions. I swear I cried enough tears to overflow all the oceans. My heart been heavy ever since mama left me. She pleaded she wasn't ready, we needed a Dr. Sebi. I met with misery, numbs them so they ain't feeling me. All of this pressure's driving me crazy, my demons steering me. Got my mind on the island, it's like I'm cast away. Had to wonder if it's better off if I simply just blast away. Don't wanna picture my family cry as the pastor pray. Just when I need it, my sense of survival activates. Then I remember my sit-downs with Mr. Andrew. He told me to cast the world to the side, do right by family. Lord knows I'm trying, I'm sick of my people dying. Sick of gathering that sepals and watching the feeble crying. Learning to turn this broken heart into works of art and take a back seat to it all with the strength of Rosa Parks.
Devil on the path and I'm all in his face. I see a better life and it's all on the plate. I'm feeling kinda hungry, I want me a taste. Trying to hold me back, but I'm gone and you late. Devil on the path and I'm all in his face. I see a better life and it's all on the plate. I'm feeling kinda hungry, I want me a taste. Trying to hold me back, but I'm gone and you late. I got the lyrics on the paper.